Process control tooling can be used for simply counting the rivets set in an application, or they can be used for a full fail-safe application. Using either standard or actual Taurus tools with a ring sensor and pressure trigger built in, you can count the rivets being set in an application. Or if you are looking to eliminate expensive reject parts and product recalls, then this can be achieved by using one of GESIPA's C tools. With a built-in load sensor, force sensor and PDM board, we go to the top level of process control monitoring, and by using these extra sensors and controls, we can ensure that the fasteners you use have been installed correctly by the operator, the hole size and thickness in the application are correct with no defects, and the fastener has set and clamped correctly. For every fastener set, all the data is stored on the GESIPA interface, which can be recalled at any time. Also, GESIPA's full process control tools have the ability to connect to a PLC, which will give you full control of the riveting process in an assembler or automated workstation.